Welcome to JH. PearlTalent.com is an online platform that connects companies with remote workers from the Philippines, Latin America, and South Africa. It was founded by Monty and Isaac, two foreign-born co-founders who apparently decided the world needed even more Zoom calls. Naturally, people are wondering if this platform is actually legit or just another digital mirage, so we're going to break it down for you. Stick around, because we're diving deep into whether this is a career goldmine or a waste of bandwidth. Let's start with the green flags. According to domain data, the site was created back in July 2019, which in internet years makes it a senior citizen. While age doesn't always equal trust, it's certainly more comforting than a site that popped up yesterday morning with a trust me vibe. Pearl Talent is also active on Instagram and Facebook. Most scammers avoid social media like the plague because they aren't exactly fans of public complaints or being tracked by anyone with a functional keyboard. The company is also surprisingly transparent about who's running the show, clearly listing the founders and their professional backgrounds. It's a refreshing change from the usual About Us sections that are often as vague as a politician's campaign promise. They offer a wide range of remote roles for both men and women, featuring specialized listings to help you find a job that actually matches your skills, assuming your primary skill isn't just procrastinating in your pajamas. Now, let's talk about what people are actually saying. The reviews on Pearl Talent's own website are glowing, but we all know those are about as unbiased as a mother judging a kindergarten talent show. When we looked at external platforms like Reddit, the feedback was a bit more mixed. While some freelancers report fair treatment and decent pay, others mention trial periods that are over in the blink of an eye and a support team that seems to be world-class at playing hide-and-seek. So, is PearlTalent.com the real deal? Overall, it seems like a legitimate platform. They've been around for a while, they have a social pulse, and there are real humans behind the curtain. However, based on the mixed feedback, it might not be a perfect fit for everyone. If you're thinking of applying, do your own homework and read some independent reviews before jumping in. Thanks for watching until the end. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.